व्हेन आई वाज यंग, पिक्चर में हम लोग देखते थे, बच्चे थे, खुशी के आंसू। मैं सोचता था यार ये खुशी के आंसू क्या होते हैं, हमें तो पता ही नहीं है। वो दिल भर जाना विद ग्रैटिट्यूड, दिस आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड ओनली आफ्टर कमिंग इनटू आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग, आफ्टर हैविंग मेट विद पूज्य गुरुदेव। मैंने जीवन में बचपन में सोचा था कि मैं भी कुछ व्हाट आई कैन डू फॉर सोसाइटी, और मैं व्हेन आई वाज इन माय एमबीए डेज मैं सोचता था जब मेरा जॉब मिलेगा तब मैं अपने फर्स्ट सैलरी का हाफ जो है वो स्कूल के बच्चों की पढ़ाई के लिए डोनेट करूँगा। माय फर्स्ट जॉब वाज इन अ फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी इन बॉम्बे, एंड very fast, within 4-5 years I was earning 10 times of what I had started off with. But in those 5 years I had not paid a penny to any school children for anything, simply because कहीं हम इनिशिएटिव नहीं लेना चाहते हैं या आता नहीं है, या फिर एक अंदर से एक ट्रस्ट नहीं आता है कि ये पैसा कहाँ जाएगा, किसको डोनेट करें, कैसे करें। सो आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग इज दैट प्लेटफॉर्म through which we can help out so many people. I recently visited one of our schools of art. I'm in Assam, so there are 2 schools which are being taken care by one ex-Ulfa militant. In fact, I had along with another teacher of art of living, we had taken him and another group of such people to Bangalore ashram way back in 2008 and or 2009 early 9. वो लोग में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आया। उसमें से एक ने बोला कि जी अब तो मैं आप लोग के साथ जुड़ के ही जो आपके फ्री स्कूल चलते हैं उसके लिए हेल्प आउट करना चाहता हूँ। धीरे धीरे वो उसमें बढ़ते नाउ ही इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ 2 schools। इन बिटवीन ही हैड सम इश्यूज, कुछ तो चैलेंज आ रहा था, तो उन्होंने मुझे रिक्वेस्ट किया कि समीर जी आप भी आइए हमारे स्कूल को विजिट कीजिए। सो जस्ट लेस देन 2 or 3 months बैक फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वेंट टू the school he is taking care of on behalf of Art of Living. So, we have Art of Living here. We have so many service projects. I have myself been associated with so many of them. It's almost impossible to know everything about all the projects and to be involved in all of them. So, there are more than 70,000 children who are studying in various free schools, tribal schools, rural schools, where everything from bags, books, uniform, and your meals, everything is coming from Bangalore ashram. So this is led by Bhanu Didi, Bhanu Ma as we all like to call her, Gurudev's sister. I went to that school. मैंने देखा, first thing what surprised me pleasantly was the turnout of the children. Every child was so smartly turned out. Not that they were sort of prepared or had been specially prepared because I was going to visit. It was just any ordinary day, and I was really pleasantly surprised. And what surprised me even more was the fact that वहाँ पे at the top of the organization everybody is motivated and wants to donate and things like that. It's down the line. तो वो जो स्कूल टीचर्स भी थे, they are also not just living off their salary and ठीक है हमारा काम हो गया, हमने पढ़ा दिया, चलो it's now it's my way and highway type of thing. No. The out of their salary also they are contributing to help for the benches of the school or any such thing that comes up. It was really a very motivating factor, and that's another thing I want to share. So anybody who wishes to contribute to any of these schools, they can go to our website. And one thing I would like to share with all of you is that Bhanu Didi, who heads this entire project, she had come and given a talk to us full-time teachers of the Art of Living. Yeah, उन्होंने बोला कि we should all contribute to this project for rural and tribal areas, and we were almost 1,000 of us in that hall in the Vishalakshi Mandap, our prized hall of Bangalore ashram, which looks like a pastry cake incidentally. So वहाँ पे people just spontaneously started coming forward and donating, and as they वो धीरे धीरे करते करते काफी लोग हो गए. भानु दीदी was surrounded. It was difficult for her to collect money from इससे like that it happened, and everybody wants to give it in Bhanu Didi's hands only, and it's that thing. And so there is one teacher from Delhi, and I don't mind sharing his name. I hope he doesn't mind. Baba Singh ji, and he had written a check actually for the donation to the schools, and वो वो देना चाह रहे हैं भानु दीदी के हाथ में, तब तक कोई और कुछ पकड़ा दे रहा उनको कैश या चेक, एंड शी इज नॉट बीइंग एबल टू टेक हर हिज डोनेशन. सो इट वेंट ऑन फॉर आई थिंक 1 or 2 minutes, एंड देन फाइनली भानु दीदी स्ट्रेच्ड हर हैंड आउट एंड टुक दैट चेक, और वो चेक लिया और अपने माथे पे लगाया. एंड दैट वाज द मोमेंट. आई थिंक उस हॉल में शायद ही कोई होगा जिसका दिल नहीं रोया होगा या आंख नहीं भरी होगी. What I'm trying to say here is that every penny is valued. वो आप में से whoever is interested and has the time, you are most welcome. यहाँ पे कार्बी आंगलोंग में भी बारलंगफार है, वहाँ पे a school is being supported. Karbi Anglong is again a tribal area. Same is the case in Haflong, which is a adjoining tribal area. Those of you who wish to contribute to our schools are welcome to donate to this Gift a Smile project by going to www.artofliving.org. Yeah? Jai Gurudev.